right. So compliments make her uncomfortable, and that's good to know. Again, don't reward people the way you want to be rewarded. Reward people the way they want to be rewarded. And that's not only here, that's in your love life. That's your children, that's your pets. If they don't like, reward people the way they want to be rewarded. Okay, over here, talk to me about being rewarded publicly. Oh, it's interesting. It's interesting. Good. Presented publicly. So this NBA thing I did with Shaq, before we shot the episode, he bussed in kids from poor neighborhoods, and he had a big stack of 20s. And every kid that came forward and was willing to make a shot, he gave him a 20. And every kid that successfully made the 3-point, he gave him 100. And he sat there